office u deputy commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi district ringkat ka jingitrei lang pat kita nak sorkar pa pher ba kynthup ya ka office u DTO, DRDA, DSWO, DMHO, DLC and DLDM menta kasi kila pelong da ka program berkerpang ban jingsumar syaki nongñiah auto rickshaw ka tha Nongpoh kabla tip kum ka 1-day camp on scheme come free medical checkup for auto drivers bala pelong ha phalau jong ka office u district transport officer ha Nongpoh kalong ru ka jingkat khu ka bakrau yaki nongñiah auto ka tha Nongpoh ki bala wan man shim ya ka kabu banyo ka jingsumar ba sngi pyntip ya ka judge jingpang ba pher khamtam ki scheme but ki judge insurance kum ki nongñiah pat kamai auto ki dei pyntip pat yo jingmantoy nakaliang ka Vivo Tulu Kezo Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi District kalaong baka tay ka program kaday kabala mangkarpang na benta ki nongñiah auto bala kami lenti bakin poy bon hakani kasi ringkat ka jingatray lang bat kita na sorkar pa pher PMJJBY SBI Atal Pension Yojana bat kiwe bat kami lenti baka tay ka program kan long ka basay so but jing manto yaki nongñiah auto.
So the district administration, Ri-Bhoi district is organizing this 1-day camp on insurance schemes as well as a medical checkup for the auto drivers in Ri-Bhoi. So it is a full day program. We're doing this in collaboration with the DTO, the DSWO, the DMHO and a number of organizations and departments here. So we're expecting around 300 to 400 auto drivers to be coming here for their registration. The insurances such as PMJJBY, SBI, Atal Pension Yojana and accident insurance schemes. So these are some things that we're focusing on. So we hope that it will be a successful program.